What's up, y'all? So for this video I'm going to show you how I use the Flax Seed Gel that I just made in my hair. So what you're going to need is your Flax Seed Gel, of course, your spray bottle. I use my detangler brush and some woogies, scrunchies, whatever you call it. So I'm going to spritz my hair with some water because I really don't like to work on dry hair. Flax Seed Gel gives my hair a lot of shine. So guys, I'm finally done twisting my hair, and this is the final. This is how my twists look after using Flax Seed Gel. So this is what it looks like. Tomorrow I'll show you guys what it looks like.
The next morning,
I'm going to be using some castor oil just to put on my hair. Look at the definition, perfect twist. Make sure your hair gets enough time to dry.
Oh, you getting along?
Fine. But take your time and gently pull apart your twist. And boom, twist done. Now as the week go by, my hair will get more fluffy, the curls will get looser, and I will get more volume. But this is the first day of my curls, so they are much tighter. And that's it, guys, my quick style for work.